Let's make ratatouille. You know, like the fancy layered one from the movie. The only thing I'm gonna do a little different is add in some Italian chicken sausage. Take the casing off and then place it in a pan. Oops. Once that's cooked, add in half of a chopped onion, 2 chopped bell peppers, and crushed tomatoes. Add them all in. For the seasonings, dried thyme, dried parsley, and dried basil. While that's cooking and doing its thing, we're doing veggies. Now there's 2 routes. You can go the fancy route or the casual route. We're going fancy. Fancy, you gotta cut everything into uniform sizes. I just like doing it with a mandolin. That's a fine size, a little thicker is fine. Total, I have 1 zucchini, 1 squash-looking thing, and then 2 Chinese eggplants. Oh, and some little baby romas. The middle has a little too much girth for the slicer, it doesn't fit. Okay, not exaggerating, a million years later. Forgot about the romas. Gotta slice these too. Grab your beautiful sauce, make sure it's in an oven-safe pan. It's time to layer. I'm doing squash, zucchini, eggplant, tomato, squash, zucchini, eggplant, tomato. And then you keep going. When you have a nice stack, you place it in the pan upright. You'll either love or hate this part, but it's worth it in the end. I know this is a little crazy, but I think I'm gonna mix up the order. Squash, eggplant, zucchini, tomato. Okay, we are done with 1 row. Finally! Brush with oil, salt, and pepper. Bake 375 for 30 minutes covered and then 15 minutes uncovered. Look at that. Getting lost in the sauce.